Hey, how you doing? And in today's episode, let's just go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to be making a birthday cake protein frappe. Alright, so we're just going to start with the basics, and we're just going to add 1 ounce of an espresso shot in this one, and then we're going to put in our ingredients about 3/4 the way of the birthday cake protein premier shake. Next, we're just going to grab the flavors that we're going to be combining, and then a little bit of our white chocolate sauce. Now, once we have that situated, let's go ahead and dump it into the blender, and then add about 1 ounce, probably about roughly 1.5 ounce of your favorite flavors that you want to add, but we're going to be doing white chocolate and blue raspberry. Then you're going to top it off with a little bit of white chocolate sauce. Preferably, you can add as much as you like, and then we're going to do our frappe powder to combine everything and keep it steady. Then he's going to be topping it off with a little bit of birthday cake sprinkles, and then drizzling our cup as best as we can. Now, this part, you can be free willy with it and just do what you like. Then he's just going to be put some razzle dazzle on the cup, and put a little bit of birthday sprinkles on there as well. After that, we're just going to add in our ingredients into the cup and have some fun. Next, we're just going to get into it and add some whipped cream. As you can see, he's still having a good time with that whipped cream and doing as best he can, and topping off with some sprinkles. And voila, there you go, guys. We have ourselves a birthday cake protein frappe. Enjoy.